Hey guys, and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day for January 2018. This is Chloe, if you haven't met her. She's my dad's dog, and I'm taking care of her. So I'm definitely trying to start the year on a healthy note. After holiday season of eating and drinking, I kind of want to get back into the swing of things and start a good and healthy routine. For pre-breakfast, when I first wake up, I always have a coffee. It's an espresso coffee, and I just drink my coffee black. And then I always have a big thing of water with me, and I'll refill this throughout the day. So for breakfast lately, I've either been having oatmeal, a smoothie, or both. So this oatmeal is just instant oats. I just add water to it, hot water, and sometimes I put flax in it, sometimes I put protein, collagen powder. I just put different toppings, and then that smoothie, you can find the recipe on my blog. But keeps me full. I really, really like that breakfast. For lunch, I have been loving this broccoli crunch salad from Whole Foods. I always have a pretty big thing of it in my fridge to eat. Really filling and really delicious. And then with that, I have a pre-made vegan tomato soup. And this is just a really nice, cozy lunch for the winter time. And then with that, I will drink my water. So for a snack between lunch and dinner, if I'm feeling just kind of hungry, I'll have something like a Made Good ball, which is like a granola bar and has all these good ingredients in them. They're really good for you, and they're really easy and good to take on the go. And if I'm hungry, I'll have something like a veggie burger and just have the burger with some hot sauce, and they taste delicious, and I'm really into them. For dinner, we've been enjoying something that's really light and nutritious and filling, but easy to make. So this is a Panko and Almond Flower crusted whitefish. This asparagus is just made in a frying pan with some water and olive oil, and then that's some vegan Sriracha Mayo, and it's just a really delicious and easy meal that we've been enjoying. After dinner, we are actually spoiled today, and we got Kelly's Bake Shop delivered some vegan treats for us. So this is a nice vegan cookie. I usually have a sleepy time tea or something of that sort before I go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys have been enjoying eating in January. I know it's only day 4, but let me know. Peace and love. Love you all.